Hi! In front of me is TCL Tab 10L, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this tablet. First of all, just find clock and tap on it. Now you need to select alarm over here at the top on the left and select this plus icon over here. Following that, set up an hour and finally choose OK. Now you can pick days of the week by clicking on the chosen ones. I will go with Mondays and maybe Sundays. Then click on this little icon next to Google Assistant routine to add it or delete it from your routine. Then click on add label. Label your alarm however you wish to and choose OK. Finally, click on default. Choose one of those sources or tap on dismiss and pick the best melody for you by clicking on the chosen one. I will go with rooster alarm and click on the back button. But you can also go into the same settings, but this time choose add new over here. Then click on those three lines at the top left corner, select one of those sources like downloads and click on the song that you wish to set up. I will go with that one. Now you need to go back. As you can see, after that my alarm was successfully created. If you wish to delete it, you need to click on delete at the bottom left corner. If you wish to turn it off completely, click on the switcher next to it. If you wish to turn it back on, click on the same one. If you wish to adjust more alarm settings, you can do that by clicking on those three dots at the top right corner. From here you need to select settings and then manage them however you wish to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!